Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Windows 7. This link is available on the description. You can download Windows 7 Ultimate version from Internet Archive. If this version is not compatible with your computer, then open Internet Archive website. Here search Windows 7 ISO, hit enter. In this website, different versions of Windows 7 are available. You can download anyone you want or anyone compatible with your laptop or desktop. For example, I need this one. Scroll down. Now it is available here. Here is 216 files available for Windows 7. For example, I need the first one. When you download your ISO, you need to download Rufus, type rufus.ie, hit enter, scroll down, download Rufus, it is 4.6.exe, click here, open download folder. I want to copy this file and paste on desktop. I have already downloaded Windows 7. If you don't have Windows 7, then watch this video to download Windows 7. How to download Windows 7, you can find it on description. Now plug in one USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. When you plug in a USB flash drive, double click on Rufus. Yes, select your USB flash drive. It is selected. Click on select, find a Windows ISO. Okay, scanning image. You can change this volume label. I want to put just Windows 7. Click on start. Okay, again okay. This step will take some time, please wait. Now it is finished. Click on close. Open this PC, unplug USB, again plug in. Now it is ready to install Windows 7. Restart your system. When you restart, press both keys depend on your hardware. It is a list of both keys for different hardware. For me it is F12. Then select a USB device, hit enter. Leave everything as default. Next. Install Windows 7. Select the operating system you want to install. Next. I accept the license. Next. Custom install Windows only. Now select your C drive, then format. After that, click on next. This step will take a few moments.